Supply chains today have evolved into globally interconnected, complex ecosystems. Enterprises need to adhere to sustainable practices and regulatory considerations while controlling their costs. Organizations can address these challenges more effectively by coming together and establishing a trusted business ecosystem. To this effect, Infosys has created the Supply Chain Distributed Application, a scalable, industry-agnostic business accelerator envisioned as a ready-to-onboard network for enterprise value chains. Let us see how the application can connect disparate stakeholders of a pharmaceutical supply chain and even benefit consumers. Meet James Parker. He's a customer waiting to fill a prescription at a pharmacy, but he is skeptical about the quality and safety of a particular medicine that he's about to buy. But with the Infosys Supply Chain Distributed Application, he can allay these fears. He scans the QR code on the package to view the journey of the medicine through multiple stakeholders in the supply chain. For enterprises, the Infosys Supply Chain Distributed Application enables suppliers to use digital tags and feed immutable details related to origin, ownership, and subsequent transformation of ingredients to the underlying blockchain network. Drug manufacturers are given a real-time view of their suppliers' inventory through permissions and controls. This helps them raise purchase orders with appropriate suppliers on the network, as well as track them through interactive dashboards. Contractual terms between relevant stakeholders are stored as smart contracts. This provides a single version of digitized records and can trigger automated payments. Certifying agencies can monitor quality parameters through IoT sensors that feed data to the network, allowing them to certify stakeholders, ingredients, and processes in an improved manner. Logistics providers can use IoT-enabled containers to record and share information related to ambient conditions while shipments are in transit. This empowers stakeholders to take corrective action in case threshold breaches occur. Distributor warehouses can use smart shelves to monitor inventory data and ambient storage conditions. If defective packages are found, replenishment orders are placed automatically. With the Infosys Supply Chain Distributed Application that caters to multiple industry domains, enterprises and consumers have a more transparent view of a product's journey. The application is modular, future-ready, and is designed for rapid onboarding of enterprise stakeholders on a network through seamless integration with open APIs that interface with existing applications, other blockchain networks, and multiple emerging technologies. Our portfolio mix cuts across all major industry domains: supply chain, insurance, governance, financial services, and enables cross-industry collaboration to unlock true business value and help you navigate your next.